haven't subscribed to this channel, you may probably want to do that now to be the best time. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comment section. And if it pleases you, then please want to share this video with other plant enthusiasts and flower lovers around the world. I have here a huge display of Cymbidium orchids, and as we are heading towards the end of Lent, towards the Palm Sunday, we brought out the Easter Lilies. So I'm going to bring in the camera here and we're going to dissect this setup so that we normally see what's going on. We also have some other companion plants, and I'll be dissecting this and I will identify them and tell you guys what they are and what significance they have, either for the season or what they're doing. So to begin with, we have here Cymbidiums. These come in different colors. As you can see, we have the yellow ones, the purple ones, the pink ones, and the amber or burnt amber ones. And we have the lighter colored ones too, including the cream colored ones. Cymbidiums originate in the Asian continent, and usually they want to be grown in a cooler environment. So this is why we can display them in spring, because they were subjected to cooler temperatures during the winter and then they bloom during springtime. Accompanying the Cymbidiums here are the Lilium Longiflorum, commonly referred to as the Easter Lilies. It's traditional and customary to bring the Easter Lilies during the Easter time. Most people in the United States understand and realize that. So when you see them out here, we know it signifies the end of Lent and we are heading to the actual Palm Sunday. Also, in the display, we have here the Dendrobium kingatum, also known as the pink rock orchid. These nice blooming orchids are from Australia actually, and they are more of lithophytes. They grow more on stones rather than epiphytes, which grows just in the air like most orchids. So they are out here because they are also cold tolerant and they bloom during the springtime, so they are a good companion to the whole setup. As you can see, they bring in nice beautiful contrast. Together with all those, we tie it in with the the Trifolium repens, or we call this the 4-leaf clover. This was hybridized like clover. It's not the same as the common clover you see outside. These were bred and meant for horticultural reasons, so that they won't be out there and turn into weeds all over the place. So basically, this is the nice beautiful display we have here, and nothing shouts more spring and welcome back than this beautiful display. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice, beautiful, wonderful day ahead. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and if you have any questions, drop them on the comment section. I'll try the best I can to get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye.